Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking that Windows is up to date because menu names can shift between builds. Once done, right-click the taskbar or press Windows plus I and open settings. This gets you directly to personalization controls. Make sure to navigate to personalization, then select taskbar so you're editing the right area. I'm guiding you step by step so you don't click around blindly. Follow these initial steps, and we'll move into the adjustable options next. Now you'll adjust layout and visibility settings. First, toggle lock the taskbar and auto-hide to control behavior. Small taskbar buttons shrink icon size. Next, change taskbar location on screen to bottom, top, left, or right depending on workflow and monitor setup, which affects docking and window snapping. Then select which icons appear and turn system icons on or off to declutter. These steps change how you interact with apps and notifications, so test each change briefly as you go. Finish by applying visual and grouping tweaks. For grouping and advanced behaviors, you can adjust taskbar settings or edit specific registry keys, only if comfortable. Back up first. Then go to personalization colors to pick an accent, enable transparency effects, and match the taskbar to your theme. Once set, restart Windows Explorer to apply stubborn changes. If icons or behavior still misbehave, run sfc/scano to repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.